There's been a lot of issues in Acholi, and you could not hear his voice or see his face. Guess who this is? Ojok Andrew Oulanyah has surfaced. Breaking news: Andrew Ojok Oulanyah becomes fourth Acholi MP elect to endorse Anita among. A new political development has emerged in northern Uganda's parliamentary politics after Banyoro County MP-elect Andrew Ojok Oulanyah publicly endorsed Speaker of Parliament Anita Among. Ojok, the son of former Speaker Jacob Oulanyah, becomes the fourth Acholi MP-elect to support Among his discussions intensify around maintaining the current leadership structure in Parliament. In a short statement captured on video issued by Among's press secretary, Ojok welcomed a resolution from the ruling party's Central Executive Committee, CEC, to maintain the current status quo. Speaking directly to colleagues and the public, Ojok said, "Hello, my name is Ojok Oulanyah, MP for Banyoro County. I'd like to join my colleagues in welcoming the CC resolution to maintain status quo. Despite the rocky start of the 2021 term, when we lost the Speaker of Parliament, the late Jacob Oulanyah, may he rest in peace, it was a rocky start. But I'm happy that now the ship is steady and we are moving forward together. I want to welcome the CC resolution to maintain the CC as well. Thank you."
Hello, my name is Andrew Ojok Oulanyah, MP for Banyoro County. I would like to join my colleagues in welcoming the SEC resolution to maintain status quo. Despite the rocky start of the 2021 term, when we lost the Speaker of Parliament, Jacob Oulanyah, may so rest in peace, it was to a rocky start. But I'm happy that now the ship is steady and we're moving forward together. So I want to welcome the SEC resolution to maintain the status quo. Thank you.
The question is, did the CEC really endorse? Ojok's endorsement places him alongside three other Acholi legislators who have already publicly backed Anita Among. The first three MPs elect from the region to declare support were Ojar Martin Mapenduzi of Badege Layibi Division in Gulu City, Anthony Cole of Kilak North in Amur District, and Ricky Richard Anywa of Agago District. Earlier commentary surrounding these endorsements drew attention after Norbert Mao, leader of the Democratic Party, stated that the first three MPs had the right to make their political choices regarding the speakership. Ojok's statement now expands that list to four Acholi MPs supporting the continuation of Among's leadership. However, political reactions in the region remain mixed. Some observers argue that Andrew Ojok remains one of the least politically impactful MPs from Acholi, suggesting his electoral victory in Banyoro County was largely influenced by the sympathy vote following the death of his father, the late Jacob Oulanyah, who was so beloved by Acholi, may so rest in peace. Jacob Oulanyah, who served as Speaker of Parliament until his death in 2022, was widely respected in Acholi sub-region and across Uganda's political spectrum. Many residents in Banyoro rallied behind his son during the by-election that followed. Critics now say Ojok's political posture contrasts with the legacy of his father. Jacob Oulanyah was widely viewed as a leader who consistently stood firmly with Acholi interests during difficult political moments, earning respect both within the region and nationally. For some commentators, Ojok's endorsement of Anita Among reflects a different political approach, one they say aligns more closely with the ruling establishment than with the regional political expectations. As debates continue within Acholi and across Uganda's political landscape, attention is now shifting to whether more MPs from northern Uganda will take similar positions.